Hello students! Today we are going to be learning more about the Microsoft program Excel. Excel can be a great way to keep track of numbers, analyze data, and also to build complex equations that help answer questions about finances, workflow, inventory, and much more. I am going to show you a couple of the basic tools that Excel can do today. The first tool that I'm going to show you is basic math. As you can see on my screen, we have a list of numbers. Alright, and we want to know the total of the numbers, the average, as well as some multiplication and division. So what are we going to do first is find the sum or the total of the numbers. Alright, so what we're going to do at the bottom of the list, as you can see on the screen, is we're going to hit the equal sign and type sum, S-U-M, and go ahead and click on that. Alright, after you type the sum sign, you're going to want to select the cells that you want to add. So as you can see, I'm clicking and dragging all the cells that I want to add together. Alright, so we want to add A1 through A20. After you've selected cells, you want to hit the enter button and the total will spit out. Just like that. It really is that easy, and you can do this for as many cells as you would like. Alright, well now let's go ahead and figure out the average of the listed numbers. We are going to do the same thing, except after we hit the equal sign, we're going to type average and select the numbers. And this will let the program know that we want to average the numbers and not do the total amount. So as we click that, we can find that our average is 51.15. The next thing I want to show you how to do is to filter the numbers in a particular order. So we have this group of numbers, and we want to be them filtered from smallest to largest number. This is actually pretty simple, so let me show you how we do it. First, we are going to select the numbers in the table. So as you can see, I've selected the numbers 1 through 20 here. Alright. Next, we are going to want to click on the Sort and Filter button in the top right corner of the Home tab on Excel. So right here, we're going to click the Sort and Filter. Alright. And as you can see, we have some different options that we can select, but we want to select the option from Sort from smallest to largest. There are obviously several different ways that we can sort numbers to get them in order and what, but this is just one way that we can do that. So we're going to click on that, and as you can see, it went and put them in order, 1 the smallest and 100 the biggest. I hope that you guys have learned some good tips and tricks that you can use the next time you are using Excel. Thanks, students.